Oh, what's up, guys? Ripping a box of 2015 or 2016 Leaf Greatest Hits Baseball for Nick I. Good luck, Nick. Let's see what you got, buddy. Here we go. Starting off, your token Cal Ripken Jr. auto. This one is 3 of 5. After that, from 2015 Leaf Best of Baseball, Gold Auto, 8 of 25, 9 mint, 10 on the autograph, Yoan Moncada. I only pulled about 1,000 of these babies. We ripped so many Best of Baseballs. After that, check this out. Autographed on his Upper Deck rookie card. The autograph or the grade is for the auto only. Gem Mint 10 on the auto. From 91 Upper Deck, on card certified auto of Chipper Jones on his rookie. Cool card. I'm a fan of that. That's nice. That is a nice card. After that, we have a 1958 Topps PSA 7 Duke Snider. PSA 7 Duke Snider. 58 Topps. Last but not least, nice card. Not a great grade, but a great card. On-card autograph, 8 of 25. 2013 America's Pastime, Gold, 8.5 grade, 10 on the autograph. The Millville Meteor, that is the third one tonight, guys. Mike Trout, unreal. 3 Mike Trout autographs tonight, in just in tonight's breaks. Unreal. Crazy night for Mike Trouts. Number to 25. Very nice. Congrats, Nick I. Get those right out to you, buddy. Appreciate the order, man.